Jatend piny William Ruto otelone nyasi mar sidho okinde mich maduong' mogik mar okinde kar yot maduong' mar State House Nairobi. Jatend piny okwayo okinde ma kamago mondo obede opara manyime e kelo lokruok e pacho ka bende ojiwogi mondo gibed joratiro e tijegi. Koloso e kindeno, gai mar doho Martha Koome oparo
stories making headlines across the country.
Now stands behind the courtroom to this responsibility with the same distinction that has
of Stanford, UK. Sometime in 1980s, President Moi was under a lot of pressure from the country.
You have a duty to lead the way in nurturing a dignified bar-bench relations. The bar and the bench are not rivals. We are partners in a shared value of ensuring our constitutional projects of upholding justice and safeguarding the rule of law becomes a success and a daily endeavor.
Your ascension is equally an affirmation of the confidence this nation places in you to be guardians of integrity, champions of justice, and stewards of ethical leadership. With this honor comes an even greater responsibility. You are called to safeguard our democracy, to strengthen our institutions of justice, to support necessary reforms, and to help widen the door of access to justice.